happening, my beautiful people? This is Rich, and we are coming to you live from Oldman's cave. I've waited a whole year to come here. Right now the weather is really cold, but I mean we'll still make the best of it and have as much fun as we can. Stay tuned. Or whatever you want to call it. And hello. Ooh, you have to dark on the trail leading to where I don't know, but I see a set of stairs which I think is going to be very interesting. This has been a really fun adventure. It's been nice so far, but like I know there's still more to come, so I'll keep you posted. Are you feeling cold?
Not anymore.
I told you, when you keep moving, your body generates heat. Do not entertain the cold.
Yeah.
It comes out well.
What is?
This is Karina. Say something to the people.
Bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite. Aqui fala a Karina, the Oldman's Cave. Estou aqui com o Richard. Esse lugar é muito lindo. E beijos e abraços para vocês.
Gracias.
Richard, you have to come back.
Like easy.
Yeah, come on. Wow, okay.
So much water. I'm walking probably for 2 to 3 miles. We are at this place called the Devil's Bathtub. Let's go check it out. So after taking a bunch of photos, I'm back to the video. We are still exploring, checking out all these cool places and seeing these waterfalls and other nice things. Like, this place is really phenomenal. And I think that if you have some time, I mean, visit somewhere new, you know. There's no point working hard throughout the year and not taking time to connect with nature and just have some downtime and chill. So yeah, I mean, take time, visit some new places, learn some new things, because you know it helps with personal development as well as just broadening your perspective. So I'll see you right back. Dog behind us, and the dog is breathing, and everybody is running away. Honey is running, but the dog is still catching up. How to avoid the dog 101.
You don't run.
That was a dog. I did not see that dog coming. Woo. This is so exhausting. I'm telling you. Like, it's not even fun. I'm dying. Oh. And just as we said that,
There's tons of spiders, just saying. I hate spiders. This is not my
there's water coming out of the rocks. I love them. Say something to your people.
Freezing here, feeling very cold. It's my first time of being here and I'm enjoying it. Even though my hands are colder, I think this place is a nice place and I'm enjoying it. So let's go and have fun. Yeah.
Wait, and they are taking photos. That is Natalie. This is Claudia, the woman with over how many million followers on Twitter. That's Honey. View, my people. Check out the view. That's Delphine. She wasn't supposed to be in my shot, but she's in my shot, so we'll probably just Photoshop her out of the picture. Paddling on this rock, forgetting that there's a big river behind him.
Okay, hold it. Hold it! Work it, girl. She's going all the way.
Dog behind us, and the dog is breathing. And everybody is running away. Honey is running, but the dog is still catching up. How to avoid the dog 101.
You don't run.
That was a dog. I did not see that dog coming. Ooh. This is so exhausting. I'm telling you. Like, it's not even fun. I'm dying. Oh. And just as we said that, okay.